This is our cable crossover. The way that this works is you can use these cables one at a time, or you can use them both together for exercises such as a chest fly, which I'm going to show you today. The cables themselves, they have a little adjuster over here. You can raise them up or lower them down for the particular exercise you're going to be using. Like say for this example, I'm going to show you a chest fly movement with it. You just get two small handles. You want to select, of course, the same amount of weight on both sides. And you just grab a hold, come into position, and then begin your fly. Once you finish your reps, just return the decks to the stack, and you're good to go. This is our incline press machine. This is used for the pectorals, especially toward the upper portion. And we have two handles here, which are going to determine whether you're going more to the inside of the pec or to kind of the upper outer portion of the pec. So the way that you use this is you come down into the piece of equipment. After selecting your seat height, you're going to take hold of the outside handles. Once again, this is going to hit the upper portion of your pectoral. And once in position to where it's about in line with the nipple, you just press up. Okay. So you don't want this guy way down here in the incorrect seat setting to where you're up like this. Okay? That can be really hard on the shoulder. You don't want your elbows flaring out. You want your seat height where it causes your elbow to come right at about a 45 degree of your body. Once you're there, just press up, get through your reps. The next position is the inner position. This is going to be a little bit easier on the shoulders, especially if somebody has sore shoulders or something like that going on. It's going to put a little more emphasis toward the center of the chest of the upper portion. And once again, you just take it here, and you just press it up. This is our vertical chest press machine. The way this guy works is once you get your seat height adjusted, so the bar is right about pec level again, kind of lining up with the nipple. So for me, I'm going to raise this up just a hair. Okay. Grab position, hold the handles, and you just press forward. Now this one has a neat little extra feature to it. One, you can adjust how far back to the body you want to go. Okay? So if you want real tight starting position, you just bring it back. If your shoulders aren't quite that loose, you can bring it forward. Now the other piece to this machine is you also have a foot bar that helps you get that first little bit off. Okay? And you just take it. Go through the motion. So ideally, once again, set your distance. Okay, so if you want to come back on 5, it's going to be way back here. You put a little pressure on that foot to get it away from your shoulder at the beginning, and then you go through the press. Okay? Once you get done with your reps, put your foot back on the bar. It takes that pressure off the shoulder so it doesn't jar you at the end of the motion. Next we have one of our pieces of equipment that simulates the bench press. What you want to do, of course, is just load up your weight on the bars here on either side. Now this one you can do with single arm, or you can do both at the same time. The seat itself is just up and down. The way you do that is you come to the side of it, you'll lift the seat, and then you can raise it up or drop it down. Okay? Once you got it to the desired number here for your height, then you have a seat. Now the way that you figure out about how high you want it is you want this guy right about nipple line. Most of the machines you're going to want right in that spot to get in the correct position for any kind of pushing movement that has to do with the pecs. So we're just coming on in, start to press. Once again, you get your sets, come back to the starting position, and you're good to go. Our next piece here is for a decline press. Once again, these machines are fantastic in the way of if you're out working out by yourself, you don't have a spot that day, whatever the cause may be when you're just coming in independently, these guys will keep you from getting stuck. So once again, load up your weight onto the bars, adjust your seat to the proper height. Now this one has a seat belt on it as well. So as you come back, come in, adjust your little strap here, buckle up, get ready to fly. So with your head back against the seat, just start pressing. Okay. And this piece is meant to focus on the lower part of your chest.